Welcome to the Tips in a Jiffy Lube Video Series. Today, we will be discussing the ins and outs of air filters. When it comes to air, there are two main filters to be aware of in your vehicle: your engine air filter and your cabin air filter. Just like the air filters in your home need changing, so do the ones in your vehicle. This is the engine air filter. Your engine needs to take in air and combine it with the fuel to create the combustion that drives the pistons. The air filter helps keep out bugs, dirt, dust, leaves, soda cans, squirrels, and just about anything else from getting sucked in with the air. Every vehicle is different, but most manufacturers recommend regular inspection or replacement of the engine air filter to keep the airflow clean. Getting it inspected every time you get your oil changed is an easy way to ensure you don't forget. And if you live or are driving in dusty conditions, you might want to change it more often. The cabin air filter performs a similar function, except it does it for the vent, AC, and heating system inside the cabin, trapping dust, dirt, and any other particles. Getting less than fresh air from the dashboard vents? Might be time to change this filter. Don't forget, if you have any questions or are unsure about anything we've discussed, just bring your vehicle into a Jiffy Lube and let our team give you the help you need. That's it for vehicle air filters. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the road.